Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stokes County, western Rockingham County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Walnut Cove, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eden, Wentworth, Mayodan, Madison, Walnut Cove, Stoneville, and Pine Hall. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Rockingham, and Stokes. Flash flood warning remains in effect.